Hello my beautiful mentees, I am 𝗨𝗏𝗏 Yoga Health Mentor, and today I am here to show how to make Kala Chana flour roti or dosa or chilla, whatever you call, which is a very important part of our gut health and detox program. So for that I am taking Kala Chana flour in this bowl. I am taking unlimited quantity. I am taking 3 spoons so that I can make 2 dosas out of it, and if you are on stage 2 you have to measure it. Then I am putting turmeric powder, pink Himalayan salt, ajwain, okay? And if you are not on program, you can add garam masala or any masala, dhania powder, jeera powder, kasuri methi, whatever you like to enhance the taste, you can add. Okay, and now I'm adding little bit of psyllium husk, which is called 𝗪𝗏. It is here. If you are in India, you will get it in pharmacy. If you are in abroad, you will get it in Indian store. Kala Chana flour also you can get in Indian store. So I'm taking this psyllium husk, which is giving binding effect, a small tablespoon, and I'm just mixing it now. So my batter is ready. For the color, I have added chili powder, which is not spicy, just have color. And now I'm making Kala Chana roti or dosa or chilla. So this is the consistency I generally keep. And if you are vegetarian and if you have veggies along with Kala Chana flour roti, you can just grate it inside it and make vegetable dosa. Or if you don't like your vegetable in your dosa, you can grate it and add little bit of yogurt and make raita out of it. So your lunch is sorted. Then you learn to make this Kala Chana flour roti. And for making this, you need 2 things: a very good non-stick pan, and your flame should be on medium flame throughout the cooking. Let this pan heat properly, and now I am putting little bit of water, and then I'm adding this flour here. Okay. And just give a nice spread. You can give a thickness as per your wish. If you like thick roti, you can make it thick. If you like thin roti, just make it little thinner. Okay, so this is my chilla, and then I'm putting the lid on. So roti's one side is already cooked, and you don't need to struggle flipping it. It's very easy once your gas is on medium flame. Okay, so it's cooked, and now you have to cook it from other sides. Isn't it looking yummy? It's very yummy, along with any veg or non-veg curry, and your lunch is sorted. I'm going to eat this with this cucumber salad, cucumber yogurt salad. So whatever veggies you have given with this Kala Chana flour roti, you can make salad like this, yogurt salad, or put in some lemon, and you can use dry tadka as well. You can put mustard seeds and curry leaves to just enhance its taste. So I generally like my raita with yogurt, and I use only very little yogurt in this. So today my lunch is Kala Chana flour roti and this yogurt, and why I am eating this yogurt salad. So you can, as I told you, you can mix vegetable in this Kala Chana flour, and you can make chilla out of it however you like. And Again, you can make mint coriander chutney along with it, or you can use simple dahi with jeera powder and little bit of chaat masala and coriander garnishing. So make your food tasty. It's all about eating good food, eating healthy food. And today why I am eating this, because I am on 3 days detox. As I always mention that I do this 3 days detox each month, start of the month. Why? Because I'm also a human being. I love to eat outside. So friends, throughout the month you may fall out of the wagon, your sleep schedules, your work schedule, your eating habits. So you fall out of wagon, and for that, just to get on the track, this 3 days detox is very important. You already have first stage meal plans and approved food list, so follow that meal plan and reset your gut each month. It's very easy. And along with that, you can use this Activate. Ask me about it if you don't have one. It comes with 3 small sachets. So when you start your stage 1 or 3 days detox, each night before bedtime, just take 1 sachet in water. It has apple pectin, ginger root, aloe vera extract and psyllium husk seeds. So it is really good plant-based, and it will help you to reset and repair your gut once in a month. So you don't need to do weight loss program again and again. It's just all about maintenance. Let me know if you want more information about it.